Yeah, here he is. It's March something or other.
25th.
March 25th. And as you can see, it's a lovely day out. Now tomorrow will be a different thing, because tomorrow there's what they call a weather bomb coming along out here. And we're gonna have a huge storm. Yeah, the Smurfs just came out of hibernation yesterday. Yeah, the day before the storm. I guess tomorrow's storm day. Looks pretty nice here today. Yeah, these guys are ready for tomorrow. We hope. Yeah, so here's the beginning of the storm. Yeah, here it is at the beach, or close to the beach. This is the frog pond. The storm's blowing in pretty good. Icy here by tomorrow morning. And the big storm is coming, and that means I have to tighten up this chain so it doesn't fall off the damn thing, and make sure everything's ready to go on the tractor. Yeah, there we go. It's starting to snow pretty good now. Yep, there we go. The storm's picking up now. Maybe a while later you won't be able to see that shop. Yeah, the storm's going now. The doggy's decided that she'll just pee right on the deck. Maybe not. There's a great big drift right outside the door. And it's a bit stormy out there. I'm gonna walk up to the mail and see if the mail lady made it before the storm. Here's the king of the castle. Yeah. Oh, trying to get dug down to China or somewhere. Well, I'm glad that I have a tractor to clean this out, because it's getting drifted in pretty good here, and looks like I got a couple more hours of it to go. Yeah, you can hear the wind in the trees there blowing up overhead. Yeah, Molly's decided that she wants to stay on the pile of shit over there. But you can't see up or down the road in any direction. You can't even see back to the house. It's a snowy day. Yeah. Doggies are having fun with it anyhow. There's a monument over there in the snowstorm somewhere. Yeah, it looks like winter's not done yet. Yeah, the storm's on pretty good now. All the big trees are swaying around. Hopefully nothing comes down and lands on top of the motorhome. The trees are all blowing around. We haven't had any gusts over 75 yet, but I imagine there have been some up higher that are more than 75 that don't get on our wind meter. Yeah, so what do you cook up on a storm day? You can't see anything out the window, but Debbie's putting some milk into clam chowder. Well, it's lobster chowder. It's clams and lobsters and scallops in there. And they're pretty good eating for us tonight. Yeah, there's a little bit of a drift up by the front of the shop there, and the wind blew my tent open, and it drifted right up to the side of the tent, and then all the way around the yard. went and it blew a drift right around the house at the back, and it fortunately cleared off the back deck. The wood pile's all blown in, and unfortunately it was a bit tough on the front deck because there's a bit of digging to get all that off of there. Then the wind blew out all right here. Don't have to worry about digging out here too bad. But we're a bit plugged in. We're a bit plugged in for here. And we'll take a walk out and see what else is out here. There's the driveway is plugged right up. Let's see if I can't get the snowblower out here and blow that out. Yeah, Molly's out there on the road, and she's called off. And it's still blowing pretty good. The mailbox out there wide open. Somehow I don't think we'll have a newspaper today. Yeah, the snowplow has made one pass down our road. Wouldn't be able to tell really. Still blowing off a pretty good storm out here. There's our roadway. I guess I'll get that cleaned out sometime. I'll just get all the snow out of the mailbox and put it back. The dogs don't care, they just fight all the way through there. Have a good time of it. The wind's still gusting up to 60 or 70 kilometers. Overnight last night, our little weather station said the biggest gust we had was 112 kilometers per hour. But I don't see any trees down, so we're okay. Yeah, so the snowplow made one pass, I heard a little while ago, up the road, but he hasn't come back, so maybe he's stuck way down there somewhere. Who knows? Take two. It's mostly a wind event now. Down all the way through there. I don't think we'll get much more snow. You never know. Yeah, here we are. It's a pretty good drift right in front of the door. Yep, there's a bit of snow there. Yeah, I guess there's a bit of snow there too. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, there we go. That's quite the pile of snow right at the door there. See if we can get. I'll see if I can turn around and get it blown out now. There's what it looks like coming out of there. And there's the other end right there. There we go, that blew that out pretty well. I'll get the rest of that stuff out of the way after a while. And we'll finish up blowing everything else out of the way. Nothing like lots of snow to blow. Here it is, out on the road. A little bit drifty here and there. But not too bad. We'll see what's happening down around the way here. The snowplow has been down here once. Look at that, there's clean pavement up ahead here. You wouldn't know there was 50 centimeters of snow fell on here. Doesn't take long for it to warm up. It's plus 3 degrees. Oh no, it's minus 3 degrees here. Oh, here comes the plow. I'll let him come through. There we are, take two. So the word from the snowplow driver is don't bother going down in here because you won't be coming back. So I'll take his word, I'll just turn around and go home. Yeah, so here's our mailbox and stuff right here, all blowing in. I won't bother blowing that out tomorrow sometime. Yeah, so here we are now. This is where the plow driver told me yesterday, don't go down there, it's a bastard. So the snows, they still haven't got it pushed out of the way. Yeah, so here's the area where the road gets pretty skinny, down to one lane, half on each side of the road. But then it widens out when you look down this way. Yeah, there we are, mostly cleaned up from the great blizzard of 2014. But look, it's snowing again. I don't know. I guess maybe just hit the rewind button. We'll do it again tomorrow. That's it for now.